Senator Marcoleta, may order na kayo na tanggalin yung links.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, hindi sumusunod sa inyo. Do you have GCash?
Yes, Your Honor.
I-open nyo yung GCash ko ngayon. Nandiyan pa huli yung link.
We gave them 48 hours,
So-
Your Honor, to take down the links.
When did you order, Deputy Governor?
Today, Your Honor.
So, can you please, I know, sir, sa banking, very conservative, you have a very good reputation. Pero please speak very clearly to us. Diba? What you did on July 25, nag-circulate kayo ng proposal sa mga e-wallet at hinintay nyo pa yung kanilang reply. Tapos today lang kayo nag-order kasi may hearing today.
Your Honor, if I may...
Hindi, kasi ang sagot nyo kay Senator Marcoleta, kulang na lang pumalakpak ako eh. Papalakpak kasi dapat talaga ako kasi at least umaksyon kayo kaagad. Kasi yung governor nyo, ang ganda ng statement, dapat daw mahigpit. Pero wala namang aksyon. You know, I will go to, I will stop there, Deputy Governor. But be very clear here kasi hindi lokohan tong hearing na to eh. Diba? Sana sinabi yung kanina, sir, it took us time and everything, but we're giving them 48 hours. Eh sinabi nyo, hindi, you ordered them na eh. Pag binuksan mo ngayon, meron eh. Hindi po ba? Seryoso, pinag-uusapan natin eh. Lokohan ba to? So please, sir, di ba, ano lang, konting pagiging forthright naman at konting tayo pag nag-uusap dito, di ba? Ang PAGCOR mahirapan sumagot kasi trabaho nila magnegosyo ng ng gaming eh. That's why, di ba, we'll allow them to but you get my point, sir. Okay, so 48 hours makakaasa kami na tanggal na lahat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Why do they need 48 hours? Isn't that instant naman? DICT, pag sinabi ko today, tanggalin nyo yan, hindi kaya ng technical ng mga e-wallets yun? So balato muna, 2 more days?
With the permission of our Secretary, Mr. Chair.
Yes or no lang, sir?
Yes, it can be done right away, Mr. Chair.
So, sir, why do we give them 48 hours pa kung sure naman kayo? So, kung may mamatay ng 48 hours kasi nalulundon, okay lang sa atin o sayang kita?
Your Honor...
Hindi ko naintindihan eh. Kasi binigyan nyo since, it's August 14 eh. Binigyan nyo since July 5. You know, if you call them into the room, you are the central bank eh. So, I'm sorry, Mr. Chairman, I'm just talking in terms of from the Committee on Banks, di ba? I was briefed. Conservative, these are gentlemen, etc. But if you called everyone into the room on July 5 and everyone pumayag, the next day, July 26, wala. You come here in the day of the hearing, you know all of the cameras are here, representing the central bank, telling Senator Marcoleta, wala nang links. Then nung tinignan ko meron, then we're giving them 48 hours na hindi naman nila kailangan ng 48 hours. Bakit po? Bakit tayo ganun?
Your Honor, we gave them sufficient time for all of them to...
Sir, the ICT just said now, they can do it instantly. Wala kayong technical people sa central bank? Kayo nagre-regulate ng e-wallets eh.
Sira na naman yan.
Or sayang yung kita nung 2 days?
Your Honor, it's because of that reason to give them time to take them down, lahat sila, and also to give adequate or prompt information to the public. So, for...
Sir, number 1, July 25 pa yung memo nyo. At pumayag sila. So, alam na nila. So, naghahanda na sila. Number 2, the public, sila nga ang biktima eh. Sila ang biktima.